Good morning, everyone. Myself, Anshul Kushikta. I am studying in 6th standard. Thank you for so much for giving one warm birthday wishes.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I myself, Dasa Kanpati Rathod. Thank you for celebrating my birthday in Shraddha School of Excellence. Thank you for your lovely wishes. Thank you and have a nice day.